Managing blood sugar doesn't mean giving up chocolate. Nestle Boost Glucose Control is proof of that. This creamy, protein-packed drink is designed for people looking to support steady energy levels without the sugar spikes. And if you grab a big case of 4 6-packs, you'll have enough stocked up to feel like you just won the pantry jackpot. Each 8-ounce bottle contains 16 grams of protein, 4 grams of sugar, and a mix of slow-digesting carbs to help maintain balanced glucose levels. Plus, with 25 vitamins and minerals, it's like a mini nutritional boost in every sip. The chocolate flavor is smooth and satisfying, making it an easy choice for a quick meal replacement or snack. And with a name like Nestle, they know chocolate. While it's not a triple-layer fudge cake, it's surprisingly enjoyable for a drink that actually supports your health. As a diabetic, I rely on products like Boost to help me keep my diabetes in check. So, if you're looking for a convenient, balanced option that keeps things tasty and under control, Boost Glucose Control is definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching.